Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Excel 14G regional restaurant. In this following project you will create a worksheet summarizing the regional sales of the restaurant. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name student Excel 14G regional restaurant downloaded with this project. So we will go to that's our file. Our second step is change the theme to integral. So we'll go to the themes. Here we will change it to the integral. Set the width of column A to 80 pixel. So column A2 we will make it 80 pixel. And what is saying column B to H to 110 pixel. So we will select column B to H and make this one 110 pixel. If any columns are too narrow to display the data, apply the autofit to the column. So we have now don't need autofit. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video or at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. Now we will move to our third step. Our third step is merge and center the title across A1 to H1. So we will select A1 to H1, merge and center this one. In the home tab, we will merge and center this one. And what we need to do, apply title cell style. We will go to the cell style and apply title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the A2 to H2. So we will go and select A2 to H2 and merge and center. And then we apply the heading 1 cell style. We will apply heading 1 cell style. That's our third step. Our fourth step is select the seventh column title and apply center formatting. Then select the 7 column titles. We will go to the 7 column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is saying? I don't understand. Select the 7 column title. Apply. Yes, we understand. That's our 7 column title. Apply center formatting. We need to apply center formatting. Here we will go to the center formatting. And what we need to do, then apply the heading 4 cell styles. We need to apply heading 4 cell styles to this. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is by using the quick analysis tools, sum of Q1 sales. We use here the sum of Q1 sales here by quick analysis tools. Here we need to apply the sum. We applied sum. Then copy the formula across the remaining character. So we need to copy this formula up to remaining characters. That's and apply the bold. It have already applied the bold. That's our fifth step. Our seventh step is select the north sales for the fourth quarter B4 to E4 and then display the quick analysis total gallery. Select the second sum option. The We need to select the B4 to E4, that is our cell B4 to E4. In this we will go to the totals. We need to select what? The sixth item in the gallery which displays the column selection in yellow. Copy the formula in the we need to go to quick analysis tab. Here we need to use this one sum function and copy the formula down to the through F7. We need to copy down this one to up to F7. We have got our results. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is apply the accounting number format to the first row of the sales figure and to the total row. We need to apply first row accounting number cell style and the total sales row accounting number cell style. Apply comma style to the remaining sales figure. So we need to apply comma style to the remaining sales figure. In this, we need to apply comma style. Format the total row in the row 7 with the total cell style. So what is saying? Format the total row in the row 7 with the total cell style. That row, he is asking for that row. We need to go to cell style and we will apply total cell style. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is insert a new row with the new row 6 with the row title East. So we will copy this and we need to insert a new row here. Upside we will apply insert. We have got a new row, 6 row. We will make it as a East row and we will put these values for first quarter. This value we will copy and paste this one. This and for second quarter we will paste this value. For third quarter we will copy and paste this value. That's for third quarter. For fourth quarter we will use this value also. And what is in copy the formula in the cell F5 down to F6. So we'll go here. We will need to copy the formula of F5 to F6 like that. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is using the absolute cell references as necessary that you want to copy the formula in the cell G4. Construct a formula to calculate percentage of total sales for the first region. Copy the formula down to the remaining region. So in the cell G4 we will put is equal to formula and here we will put F4 over F8 and make this one cell F8 as a absolute reference. Press enter and copy this formula up to G7. That's our ninth step. Our 10th step is to the completed percentage. Apply the percentage style with the 2 decimal and then center the percentage. We need to apply the percentage style with the 2 decimal. We need to include the decimal and then center the percentage. That's our 10th step. We have total 17 steps of this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you will just comment on this video so I will get you soon And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.